The fish.
Because intestines are also on the menu. Good morning from just outside Onomichi. We are about to pack up the bikes, get ready to go and ride to Onomichi, and then from there we're going to Habu port, which is on one of the islands. So it's pretty much cycle back, probably a different way from Onomichi to Habu port, and then catch the ferry back to Imabari. It's a hazy sort of day, morning. It's quite warm already. But yeah, very beautiful here.
Cats are fighting on the roof. Hey. See if they tell us to pay something. Good shot. So that was good timing. We landed just as the ferry arrived, and this goes from Onomichi over to the mainland to where we find the end of the path.
There she goes, the ferry. So we're hanging out for coffee in Onomichi. Onomichi is located on Honshu, Japan's main island, along the coast of the Seto Inland Sea. For many, this is the starting point of the Shimanami Kaido. We started at the other end, in Imabari. Unfortunately, during our visit, not many shops were open, so we ended up enjoying our morning coffee at the ever-reliable Lawson. It'll have to be a Lawson coffee. Habu Port.
H-A-B-U.
Yes.
So we're back on the blue line, heading back to Imabari. But at the moment we've got a very severe headwind and it's looking like rain.
So we just picked up 2 spare inner tubes and Crichton's got a flat tyre. This tyre is running down a bit. We'll take the bags off anyway.
Actually, yeah, it'll make it easier.
Do you want to lay her down or?
Actually, it might be better, yeah. This is what I hate, this bit here.
Maybe you should take your gloves off. I've got a, hang on, I'll grab you one of those microfiber cloths. But what a nice location.
Take my gloves off.
Good idea. Look at that.
Yeah, can be thankful for one thing.
You're thankful for?
It's not a motorbike. On this occasion.
Wow. And that coming out of your mouth.
Yes.
And
I'll put my little thing on.
little cap. Konnichiwa.
Just on our way up to the first bridge. It's quite a long ramp, this one. 1.3 or something kilometers. And we're back into the land of the dropping caterpillars. They hang on a thread and they drop on you. And you have these little caterpillars crawling on you. I actually like this bridge. It's very well protected, out of the wind. Oh, I didn't find any more caterpillars. This is the only area where we've sort of come across caterpillars hanging down on their little bit of silk. This morning when I was putting my shirt back on for today's ride, there was a caterpillar still coiled up in the hood of the hoodie. Good morning, konnichiwa. Imabari is very quiet on a whatever day it is afternoon. Monday, isn't it?
No, I don't think it's Monday.
Oh no, it's not Monday. It's like Wednesday, Tuesday.
So we've just arrived at our hotel and this is home for tonight. Another upgrade, so they tell me. Oh, we have a bath. That's very exciting. It's not very big, but it's deep.
Worry about the workout.
Nice comfy bed. After sleeping on tatami mats for
Oh, it must be a week, isn't it?
yeah, long time. And this is our view. We're on top of the world, almost. So we just stepped out of the hotel to grab a bite to eat, and we came up on this place, like a barbecue type place, and we got the mixed meat one, which is pretty adventurous, I would think, because intestines are also on the menu. I realized after we ordered it, so but we'll see how we go. It does look very tasty. And then we have two sauces here, a barbecue and a vinegar sauce. So yeah, let's see. Grab a bit of meat. Not sure what this is. I'll put this one on for pricing.
I want one of these ones.
I reckon that's cow's stomach or something.